National movement in India, partition and independence. 10th class, chapter 16, social studies, part 1 bits, English medium. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Who was the last Governor General of India? M.K. Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Attlee, Lord Mountbatten. Correct answer, Lord Mountbatten. The name of Pakistan was coined by Muhammad Iqbal, Muhammad Ali, Chaudhary Rahmat Ali, Abdul Kalam Azad. Correct answer, Chaudhary Rahmat Ali. Indian National Army was formed by Jagadish Chandra Bose, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, none. Correct answer, Subhash Chandra Bose. At the time of World War II, Prime Minister of Britain was Winston Churchill, Roosevelt, Mr. Attlee, William Bentinck. Correct answer, Winston Churchill. The Muslim League was formed in the year 1908, 1907, 1920, 1906. Correct answer, 1906. Who led the Quit India movement? Subhash Chandra Bose, Gandhiji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Correct answer, Gandhiji. सारे जहां से अच्छा song was written by Muhammad Iqbal, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Rabindranath Tagore, Maulana Azad. Correct answer, Muhammad Iqbal. Tebaga movement started in this state: Odisha, West Bengal, Telangana, Punjab. Correct answer, West Bengal. The government of India abolished the preupers and titles of princely families in the year 1970, 1975, 1972, 1971. Correct answer, 1971. The task of integration of princely states was assigned to Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Rajagopalachari, Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Second World War ended in this year 1942, 1939, 1945, 1944. Correct answer, 1945. The Iron Man of India was the title of Mahatma Gandhi, Balagangadhar Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Muhammad Ali Jinnah actively participated in Indian National Congress, Swaraj Party, Muslim League, Republican Party. Correct answer, Muslim League. The Indian national leader who appealed Hitler to prevent the war is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer, Mahatma Gandhi. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. Who spoke of a need for a Northwest Indian Muslim states? Muhammad Iqbal, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Rahmat Ali, Mujibur Rahman. Correct answer, Muhammad Iqbal. Quit India movement started in this year. 1945, 1942, 1946, 1914. Correct answer, 1942. Cabinet mission was sent to India in this year. 1950, 1949, 1945, 1946. Correct answer, 1946. Royal Indian Navy rebellion was started in 1943, 1945, 1942, 1946. Correct answer, 1946. Which demand was not related to the Royal Indian Navy strike? Bad food, climate condition, equal salaries to all, behavior of their British officers. Correct answer, climate conditions. What is not true with regard to Subhash Chandra Bose? Bose created Indian National Army. Gandhi did not agree with the plan of Bose. The recruited soldiers of INA were soldiers of British Army captured by Japan. INA defeated British Army. Correct answer, INA defeated British Army. The Muslim League announced the direct action to win the following demand: separate seats for Muslims in all councils, absolute right to league for choosing all the Muslim members of Executive Council, separate nation states of Pakistan, all the above. Correct answer, separate nation state of Pakistan. The following causes for the resignations of ministers of the Congress Party in October 1939 was: British objected to give full freedom, cabinet mission was established, British forced Indians to support the World War, there was a conflict between Congress leaders. Correct answer, British objected to give full freedom. We call Mahatma Gandhi as father of nation because he led the movement of freedom struggle. He followed the ideal of peace and non-violence. He promoted unity among various sections of society. All the above. Correct answer? All the above. All options are correct. The title Iron Man of India is given to Vallabhbhai Patel in appreciation of this. Suppressing Pakistan win war, firm determination in joining princely states into India, differences with Nehru and Gandhi, legal knowledge. Correct answer? Firm determination in joining princely states into India. Though the Indians who were soldiers of British Army joined INA and fought against British, the reason is they were the war prisoners of Japan. They wanted to free their motherland India. They were given food, financial support. The British are them to act like enemies. Correct answer? They wanted to free their motherland India. British policy. Divide and rule, white man's burden, imperialism, all. Correct answer? All. Muslim League passed a resolution for the formation of Pakistan on this date, March 1940. 26th of March, 23rd of March, 24th of March, 5th of March. Correct answer? 23rd of March 1940. INA means International Army, Indian Army, Indian Navy Army, Indian National Army. Correct answer? Indian National Army. In February 1947, Wavell was replaced as Viceroy by Mountbatten, George, Churchill, William Bentinck. Correct answer? Mountbatten. Do or die slogan related to which movement? 1905 Vande Mataram movement, 1942 Quit India movement, 1920 Non-Cooperation movement, 1930 Salt Satyagraha movement. Correct answer? 1942 Quit India movement. Novel Central Strike Committee leader was Ghaffar Khan, Jinnah, MS Khan, Tilak. Correct answer? MS Khan. In Hyderabad, which party led the struggle of farmers in Telangana? BJP, Congress, Socialist, Communist. Correct answer? Communist.